Buying a home hasn't been easy for the past few years. Besides increasing interest rates, a decrease in purchasing power, and a housing shortage, cash buyers have also put a squeeze on some would be buyers. According to data from Redfin that looked at the 40 biggest metro areas in the U.S., nearly a third of U.S. home purchases were made in cash in April, a 9 year high. That's in line with data from February, which all cash purchases reached 33.5% and continue a trend that started during the pandemic. The share of homes being bought with cash is at levels not seen since 2014, when the housing market rebounded from the Great Recession. But the housing market today looks very different. So, what's driving this drive of cash buyers? Well, rising interest rates. The main reason cash buyers are making a bigger portion of real estate is that mortgage rates have increased thanks to rising inflation. While rates slid down slightly in June, they remained elevated compared to the same time last year. The 30-year weekly average at the end of June was 6.67, near a 15-year high. That's made borrowing costs more expensive and sidelined many buyers who need a mortgage. Buyers have two choices: pay with cash and avoid monthly payments, or take out a loan with high interest rates. Buyers who can't pay in cash, buyers who can't pay in cash either have to drop out of the market or pay the higher rate on their loan. Lack of inventory. Another reason that cash buyers are king in the housing market these days is because of competition. While it's not as big of a trend in some metropolitan areas, the lack of available housing means all cash buyers are pricing out home buyers who need a mortgage. And while high rates have pushed out many buyers, it's also caused a lot of would be sellers not to sell. In other words, there's still a supply issue at the heart of the issue. According to the data from National Association of Realtors, housing inventory was down 6.1% in May compared to the prior year. It remains roughly half the level it was before the pandemic. In conclusion, while not everyone might have the means to put cash up for a house, that doesn't mean investing in real estate is completely off the table. With a little bit of research, you can find a way to expand your real estate portfolio in a way that makes sense for you and your finances. Now, if you're in need of an experienced commercial real estate broker, I can be reached at 281 222 0433. I appreciate your time and have a good day.